So anyways, let's just get into it. This is how to make a image file. So you can just do like a something.png. Oh no, you can't really do that. So let's just delete it. Hop into your browser. Me personally uses Chrome. So yeah. Nobody saw that. Nobody at all. Okay, so here we can just move it to my second screen over here. And then you can search up cool images. And then just, I guess just pick this one. Pick this one, I was gonna say. So, save image as, go to OneDrive person, well, no, doesn't really matter. Yeah, this can go anywhere. Me personally, I'm putting in the folder that I'm using right now. I'm gonna call this image for good spelling. Now, teach, save. Just close this. Quickly put this here. So image.jpg. So this is our image. So we're gonna import Pygame. As I was freaking Pygame, I said. Anyways, so Pygame.init. Set up our window. Just call this our win. And now we're going to define two functions. So define main. Everyone knows what main is used for, let's be honest. It just means, well, how to set up a window. And then our draw function. Okay, so rest of it is clock equals to pygame.time.clock. FPS equals to 60. And now we're gonna put our image here. So image equals to pygame.image.load images image.jpg. I'm going to go through the tutorial and tell you why this kinda doesn't work sometimes. So here we're gonna take in a window. We're going to take in FPS and clock. Okay, so you can start writing now. So it's just running equals to true. While running for event in pygame.event.get, if event.type pygame.quit, running equals to false, break, and then elif I can't speak, not pygame.event.type that, then just quit here, and then you're just gonna do call draw. And then outside of this, you can just call pygame.quit. And then if underscore name equals to main, then just call main. We're going to pass in our window. We're going to pass in our FPS. And we're going to pass in our clock. And in our draw function, there's going to be one. It's going to be called image, and another one called window. And our image is going to be image, and our window is just going to be win. Also here you can just do win.fill. We can call it 255, 255, 255. Don't forget that extra pair of parentheses. yeah. So oh, it's just called yeah. Okay, I'm sure. Just put it in this file, in this thing called image. I'll move image.jpg in there, and it's image. Yeah. Okay, so this might not work. I'll explain that later. So here here in draw we're gonna do pygame dot display dot update first, then window dot blit. So like this window dot blit, window the parameter. Is there any difference? I guess no. Window blit. Oh my god. Nobody saw that. Anyways, image.jpg, image at 0, 0. And now it's right here, right? Oh right. Why is my autocomplete on? Is it? I don't know what's happening. Okay, yeah, so I guess this just doesn't exist now. Okay, so just if that happens, then just do this. I personally use VS Code where I have sublime text and PyCharm. And now it should all work. And is it working? Oh my god. I hate this. Okay, just okay, done. As I was saying, done. So I don't exactly know why if I have this there, it just doesn't work. But that's unimportant. So now you can just do like here we can do pygame dot transform dot scale. You can call this, put this in here, pygame dot image dot load this thing, right? Just scale it, and then we're just gonna do width and height if you want it to be your background. And now it's, well, like that. Okay, so yeah. Now, the second part I wanted to show you is with OS. So with OS, now if you just have this problem, pygame.image.load, window, do os.path.join, and you can do, what's it called again? This? Yeah, it's called image, image.jpg, png, it doesn't matter. Now it still works. No, actually it still works. See? Yeah, it all works. Okay, we're just gonna extract the method. New function. Enter. Return image. This is also a thing.